What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are, like I said, we're gonna be doing chrome delete. So I'm gonna be doing that wheel right there with the vinyl pre-cut, and since I have to paint those calipers red, so I'm gonna have to take those wheels off. So once they're off, I guess I'll be really easy installing the pre-cut vinyls on it. But when it comes to the pre-cut vinyls, you could do it literally right when, right the wheels on the car. You can still do it. You just have to move the car backwards a little bit once you're done with the top two portions, so you get the, it's hard to do the bottom one, so you got to move your car backward a little bit. So this comes, that spoke, these three spokes come up a little bit like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead safely jack up the car. I jacked it up from the middle because I'm trying to take two wheels out right now and work on those two, and then once it dries out the calipers, I'm going to put the wheels back on, and yeah, it's going to be that simple. Then do the back side. So before you even jack up the car completely, you just want to go ahead and break these lug nuts loose, and once they're loose, just jack up the car more until the wheel comes off a little bit from the tire rubber piece above the ground. Then you can pull out easily. And just be careful, guys, when you do this kind of work. It's a little bit heavy stuff, and I'll take breaks in between so I don't hurt myself, and stay safe and do it cautiously. I actually got this attachment so I don't have to worry about putting so much pressure on, so that's why my back doesn't hurt or anything like that. So this is going to be the awesome part right here. That's one down, and then do the rest. That's awesome. Save myself some pain. All right, guys, wheels clean, and this is brand new anyway, so I still sprayed it down with the brake cleaner. Just sprayed on it, kind of rubbed it a little bit off, so all the dust, the particles you don't see with your eyes, that would come off mostly, so the paint would stick really good. In the meantime, since the wheel's already out, you might as well pop out the emblem, the center caps from the back. Just kind of push it out with the any kind of material, it'll pop right out. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that as well, as you can see right there. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff laying down. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the vinyl and paint first, actually. And this is the paint I'm actually gonna be using. I'll put the link in the description below for it as well. Caliper paint, it's a lot easy to do, honestly. It's better than spraying, because you don't want overspray on your car or your paint or anywhere else. This is more focus based, so you get it exactly on the caliper only. And I got some brushes here. These are just small ones that I have extra I didn't have, but I do have like some painter's brush that would cover it really quick. These are small, but this is for like hard to reach areas, and you want to make sure it's red and painted properly. But I'm gonna use a small painters like this big, like I would say an inch bigger, so I could brush really quick the calipers. It's coming out really great, guys. Check this out. Paint process is great. I love that red, and I want to show you guys real quick. If you do want to get these vinyl pre-cut, the best material, honestly, you're gonna find the best is from Crux Motorsports. All right, I'll put the link in the description below, and it's the best, guys. Don't order on eBay. They're not gonna fit properly. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Once you do a few of these, like 3 spokes, 1, 2, 3, the rest of the car, the other wheels are pretty much muscle memory. It's that easy, guys. I'm about to show you real quick how quick I do one of them. Maybe take my 2 minutes, but it's awesome. All right, so you do get 4 pieces on the paper, and you get 5 spokes pre-cut. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Make sure you clean the wheel. Grab it slowly. Make sure you clean the wheel very well. Rubbing alcohol is best to use after the cleaning process is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is my muscle memory right now, guys. don't pull either, because the material is very, I don't know, it's like self-adhesive, and also the material is kind of stretchy in case you want to stretch it a little bit for some reason, but you probably don't have to. There you go, guys. It was that easy. Just do a few, and then the rest are just cake, piece of cake. It's like wrapping up a candy. Just do the edges really nice, make sure it's good, and once that's done, once you're done with all four, all five, just grab a heat gun and use very minimal heat over it to kind of have it like sink into it, to the spokes itself, so it doesn't become loose or anything like that. So you would just grab a heat gun and kind of go over it for like I think 3 seconds is good, and just kind of do it like that, 1, 2, 3, like that, and then put your hands over it really like hard again, and make sure you go over into the tire area like that, make it tight, and squeeze the ends, of course, for sure. These are the 2 points that you want to make sure it's heated up a bit, and you hold it for like 10 seconds to make sure it's strong so it won't peel off. I have mine on my own car for about 2 years now, and no issues at all, honestly, guys. And I wash it myself. Just wash it yourself. Pressure washer works too. Just don't get too close to it with the pressure washer like that. Or you can do it from far away. Yeah, that's it. I'll show you guys how it turns out once they're done. Alright, I forgot to mention, I actually hyper dipped gloss black with the spray can. Hyper dip is called. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Did the center caps for the wheels. Watch how it looks with this. It is done. The chrome delete on the wheels is done. Check this out. And I got the calipers painted red. Check it out. And I also added this tire caps. I think it's pretty awesome. I removed the other ones. I'll put the link in the description below for this as well. They look pretty awesome with matching, and it looks good too. And for the rears, I just gotta put the center wheel caps back on, but that's done as well. Looking great now. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, what am I gonna do next? I think I'm gonna do interior lighting next, because it's a 2021 and you still get those yellow amber looking lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those right now next. All right, so stay tuned, keep watching. If you want to get like the side skirts and the Yofer's front lip, or even spoiler or tail lights, make sure you guys go to Arrow Work Sports and use code RLM5 for your discount. Alright guys, stay tuned, and I'm gonna be showing you guys this chrome delete as well soon. Alright, stay tuned.